Okay, so the question for number 8 is, are there any significant differences in the NMAT performance when the students are grouped according to math performance? In layman's term, or in simpler terms, we're trying to determine if the outstanding math group students and the very satisfactory math group of students, will there be differences in their NMAT performance? Do you get that? Yun ang gusto na to i-determine, no? Kung naabay mga differences. Okay? So, if we look at our meaning that we need to determine first who are the outstanding students, who are the very satisfactory students. If I just look at the data here, parang dili man na siya because these are grades, math GPA. You need to determine first who are the outstanding. And in our, let's just say for example, we have agreed that the outstanding students in terms of their math performance are those students with 1.0 to 1.49 as grade. Meaning that if this is our data, this is not outstanding. No? That's not outstanding. Therefore, I need to determine that. Kung ano yung mga, how many are outstanding, how many are very satisfactory. So, we are going to recode. Okay, so what are we going to do? We go to transform. We have to recode into different variable. And we are recoding the, ano ni-recode natin? Yung math, no? Math performance, right? And then, so this is the math performance recoded. So that would be my label lang, math performance recoded. And then I just simply press the change. And then I'll go to old values and then I'll go to range. I will just simply copy what we have here. Okay, so meaning that 1.0 through 1.49 no, is value 1. Okay, and then 1.50 to 1.99 will give a value of 2 because we are recoding. And then 2.00 to 2.49, the value is 3. And then we add. And then 2.5 to 3, the value is 4. 4, right? Okay. And then we continue. And then you go, okay. You will notice that I have additional column wherein all my math performance group are identified and coded into 4 categories. So you will notice that 1.5 code 2, meaning that this is very satisfactory student, correct? I will now go to the values so that later when we read the result or the output, it would be okay, no? So we said the 1 is the outstanding group, right? And then the 2 is the very satisfactory. And then the 3, the satisfactory. The 4, what? Huh? What's the 4? That's poor. No, in my list, it's poor. No? So it goes like that. Okay, so I have like that. Now, question. I will first determine how many are of these, how many outstanding, how many very satisfactory, how many satisfactory, how many are poor. No? So, I'll go to analyze, I'll go to descriptive, I'll go to explore. Explore ba kung gusto ta og frequency? Ha? Kung gusto tag frequency sa kada level, cross tabs. Okay. So, kung cross tabs ta, math, kung sa may gusto na to, row. Row nga math, ang column kay Unsa man atong column? Or gusto lang man kog pila ang outstanding, pila ka very satisfactory. Ana lang man akong gusto, di ba? Wala pa man ko gusto kung nag-NMAT or unsa pa na siya. Wala pa, no? Right? Pwede ra ba ako mag-descriptives, tapos mag-frequencies ko? Tapos ang ako lang gusto ihapon kay ang math, recode, ani ba't ko? Oo, kung frequency lang, di ba? Gusto lang man kung pila ka buok ang outstanding, ang very satisfactory, ang poor. Right? So, okay na ni siya. Frequencies. Okay. So, ako siyang kopyahon diri kay mao man ni atong ginatrabaho. Okay? So, look gani. So, pila gani ka outstanding? 11, di ba? 6, 7, and then 12. No? Okay. So, again, the question is, are there significant differences in the NMAT performance when they are grouped according to math performance? So, unsang mga NMAT performance aning mga outstanding people? Right? Yun ang gusto natin. What is the NMAT of the outstanding people? What is the NMAT of the very satisfactory people? What is the NMAT of the satisfactory? And whatever is their NMAT are their differences. Yun ang gusto natin. Correct? Okay. Actually, in this pattern, pwede nang ganito. And you're going to use ANOVA. Right? What happens kung 0 ni siya? Or kung, let's say, for example, 1. Medyo skewed. Diba? What happens kung diri kay 2 siya? Right? Meaning, ga-compare ka sa kada grupo, tapos ang kada grupo or kategorya, gamay ra kayong sulod, tapos i-compare na din mo. Right? That's the reason why sometimes we need to collapse. You collapse groups. So now, our groups would be, our groups would be 2 groups only. The outstanding and the very satisfactory, 1 group. And then, maybe we can have the satisfactory and then the poor also 1 group. But in this case, when we look at this case, ano yung pwede nating makollapse? Pwedeng 3 groups, right? Oo. The outstanding can stand alone. The very satisfactory and the SAT can stand alone. Right? And then the poor. Kasi kung ma'am, yun, di naman mo isagol ang SAT o poor. More dili man gud sad na sila parehong performance ng satisfactory o poor. Right? So, unsa ang atong gusto i-collapse? Very SAT to SAT. Murag maing ana na. So, unsa na nahitabo? Tanang SAT, mahimong very SAT na group. Right? Which means, I will recode. Ba? So, I will recode. So, unsa na may mahitabo sa recode? Oo. Unsa na may mahitabo sa mga 3. Kani, mao man silang code 3, correct? Oo. Meaning, I will recode all the 3 becomes what number? 2. Good. All the 3 becomes 2. So, transform. Tanaw na to, kung tanan 3, mahimong 2. Kani siya, later, mahimo ni siyang 2, ha? Okay, kani siya, itong timanan, ha? Okay, so, ansay ita, transform, recode into the same variable. Tapos, gusto na gani daw, katanaw sa nako ni. Pwede ba din nato ma-recode yung ani? Gusto na ganito nga kuan? In math ba? Dili oy, math. Ano naman akong math record. Okay, try ko lang. Okay, old and new. Ang old value is what? Kung say old value, katong gusto na ko i-record, si 3 mahimong 2. Correct? Si old value na 3 becomes 2. Correct? And then you go add. And then you continue. And then you go okay. Okay na? Na-recode ba? Diba? Remember kaning si A73 ni siya ganiha? Ha? Nagkasinabot ang wala. Tanaw sa, ayha tama, ayha mo mag-ano sa inyong kuan. So, nanakoy 1, 2, 4. Correct? Meaning, kani siya, nabilong na ni siya diri. Na-collapse na siya. Pwede na ba? No? So, meaning, mo nang importante nga, gitanong mo ang behavior sa data. So, which means, kani siya, 6 o 7, nahimong 13. Okay? Which means kani siya, pwede na ako siya i-delete. Correct? So akong pangutana, are there significant differences in the performance? Right? So what are we going to do? We are going to go to analyze. Pila naman ni ka-group? Comparing 3, di ba? Okay, so I'll go to analyze, I'll go to compare, I'll go where? One-way ANOVA. And then, unsa na ganito akong i-compare? Ha? Unsa ang dependent ani? Tanaw sa? NMAT. Okay, NMAT performance when they are grouped according to math. Pero asa man diri ako i-press? Math performance recoded. Okay? Recoded, di ba? Kasi ang nangyari, i-grupo tong mga outstanding, i-grupo to mga very satisfactory of SAT, i-grupo ang poor, tanawa ilang NMAT, naabag yung diferensya sa NMAT performance, depending sa unsa siya as math student. Okay. So, I'm gonna press what? Okay. So, unsa na may nahitabo? Okay. So, naara. Saka ko sa taas. Nara. Ay, wait lang. One way. Okay, nara ha. Nara sila. Di ba? Wala ka kakita og, wala ka kitag satisfactory. Kaya nahimo siyang very sat to sat. Okay? Ako i-delete. Ako karon di ta maglibo. Kaniha. Akong correction na ning variable view. Kung saan na ganito, ang akong math recoded, ang kaning 2, remove na ko ni, pati ang 3, ang tanang 2, unsa gani? Very sat to sat. Correct? And then you go add. And then you go okay. And then I'll go again. Analyze. Tell me what to press. Compare means one-way ANOVA, and then, correct ba ni? NMAT, and then math recoded, and then I go, okay. Okay. Now, is there a significant difference? Look at the ANOVA. Yes. Unsa ang mga mean sa outstanding? Ang mean sa outstanding na math group sa NMAT is 95. You see that? Do you see that? Ang math grouping lang ang atong gihimo as grouping variable. Okay? So, outstanding students in math, this is their mean in NMAT. You see that? The very satisfactory to SAT sa math, mauni ilang NMAT. Ang mga poor sa math, mauni ilang NMAT. You get the point? Okay. And is there significant difference among these three groups?
Yes,
Highly significant. Meaning, nagire-diferensya ang katong mga maayo sa math dito sa NMAT o katong mga di kay maayo sa math dito sa NMAT na ay difference. Kinsay na ay difference? Look at this. Dini man ta magtanaw sa post hoc, di ba? Tanaw ta sa post hoc. O, naagi daw diferensya si outstanding sa very sat. Tapos si outstanding og supor naa. Si very sat og si poor naa. Naagi diferensya ang tulo. Correct?
Ito magkatungtong na